Alrighty, so today I'm not in, but I'll be back tomorrow. So tomorrow you will need your textbooks. So I found an escape room. The only thing with the escape room though is it does have surface area. You might have done surface area in seventh grade, but it's been a while, so we need to review it. Okay. So I do have, you're going to have to do surface area first for these three pyramids. So I already have some of it up and ready for you to go. All right, I'll have all these formulas will be posted for you, so you'll be able to use them. Let's go purple and move this out of the way. Okay, so pyramid has four triangles and a square for a base. So SA stands for your surface area. B is for the area of your base, and half of the perimeter times the slant height. But slant height is this height that goes all the way here. So that's your slant height. Okay. So area of the base. So that's 8 times 8. So that's 64. So our area of the square is 64. Then we're going to add half. Oh, I'm doing this on the wrong one. Hang on. Let's put this. There we go. And back to my pen. Up here. So we have 64 for our base plus half the perimeter of the base. So what's 8 times 4? Because there's 4 sides of a square. Well, 32 times our slant height. So the height of our triangles is 13. So if you put that into your calculator, you can use your Desmos. Hey, you get 272. Then you'll do the same thing with the other ones that are given to you. Once you do that row, the next row will open. Surface area of a cone, you have to know circumference in an area of a circle. So that's where I have your circle stuff information at. So we want to take the area of the base, which is a circle. So the area of a circle is pi r squared. Now the instructions do say to use 3.14. All right, so that's where we're going to use 3.14 times 2 squared. Okay, so that will give us 4 times 3.14, which is 1256. Okay, plus half of the circumference times our slant height. So your slant height is this height right here. And they call it slant because instead of it going through the middle, it makes a difference. Okay. So now we're going to have to add to that. So first we have to find half of our circumference. Well, they gave us radius. So I have to take now, 3.14 times 2 times 2 basically. But then we're only going to use half of that. So once we have that, we're going to divide it by 2. Well, those 2's cancel. So we just have to double our 3.14. So that is going to be 6.28. So now we have a 6.28. And we have to take that times our 8. Whatever number we get there is what we add up here. Okay, so 6.20, 2,800 times 8 is our 50 and 24 hundredths. Now it says to round to the nearest hundredth. You shouldn't have to do that very often since we're using 3.14. Only every maybe 1 or 2 you might have to do that. All right, so now we add those two numbers together. And you get 62 and 8/10. Now you don't have to put your centimeters or inches in, just the numbers, and that should unlock it then. Okay. If you have any questions or concerns, just try the best you can. The rest of them are volume, so you're just going to use the volume like we've been. Remember, the biggest thing or mistake that we've been seeing is kids not dividing by 3 at the end. All right, have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow.